Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. My dear Shelly is still in the hospital. God willing, she'll be here tomorrow if everything goes well. We said that 10 days ago, so who knows? Whatever the doctor says, and hopefully she gets better to come home. It's been 2 weeks today, so hopefully she is good to go tomorrow. But I'm here because we got another package from
TheCubo.com.
And this one was on back order, and then when I ordered them back order, they went to NAC, the North American Championship, and they were like, oh no, we're not going to mail them out until after that. And I'm like, But before I get to that one, I got another one. Oh wait, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 5 of my Toys for Tot cubes. 5 more. For those of you who don't know, I am trying to collect 100 of these cubes to donate to Toys for Tots in December at the VA. Alright, each one of these blocks hold 24, and I'm too short here, so that's mine. I got one full box in there. I didn't buy them all at the same time because that would be expensive. Let's see. So this would make 48. This fills this box up. I filled that box up, and I got another one filled up down here. That's 48, 49, 50, 51. I miscounted, so 48, 49, 50, 51. I'm getting something as soon as they ship it out, and I have, I think, 3 in that one. Let me see. Yeah, I have 4 in that one, so I would have 55 total after that package comes. But right now I have 51. On 7/13. 7/13. 51 on 7/13. Now I'll put all the information right here so you can see. They're only $3.99, and then when I buy some on bulk, I can get a discount. This is what I made my force cubes out of. So I did borrow 6 of these to make my force cubes. And as you can see, they turn, I don't even lock up. These are really good budget cubes. In my opinion, they're $3.99 each. So they're $4. $4 for one. And look how nice and smooth that is. I am not locking up at all. And I think these are great cubes to give out to kids, especially how cheap they are from my point of view. And for the kids, whoever... There's going to be a lot of kids that are going to grab it and say, what the heck is... And then... Whoosh. But if they don't want it, maybe somebody else in their family will want it. Who knows? It might get locked up in the box and they might not see it for, 40 years. Who knows? Or it might end up in the trash heap. But there's going to be a few kids that are going to appreciate it when they get it during Christmas. And I'm trying to get 100. So if you want to donate some money for me to get some more, I'm going to buy 100 period with my money. If you want to donate some more, I do have those super chats or whatever. Do a super chat and write down for Toys for Tots, and whatever I get for money for their I just buy some more of these for being $3.99. I really love these. Definitely get 5 out of 5. I would definitely give these for the price. I would give it a 10. Got another card from
TheCubo.com.
Alright. This is what I've been waiting on. Whoa, it got crushed. The box got crushed a little bit, which I don't appreciate because I keep these boxes. So this box is a little crushed and I don't like it. Now who knows, as long as it didn't melt like this, I can't blame it on the cubicle. Yeah, so I don't appreciate anything. Anything I get in the mail that's crushed, I get mad. So I'm a little pissed off already that it's crushed. Let's see if it's a keepable box though. That's the box right there. Little flimsy box. Not a big fan of it. Choking hazard. And of course, damaged box. And it opens up like this. See how these boxes just open up like this, and it comes out. So yeah, I probably won't keep that box. I don't know. And again, I might. That's the adjustment tool right here. This looks like a trash can. Yeah. It has little tabs on the inside, and this one has tabs on the outside. And it comes with directions on how to adjust the settings and how to use that trash can. That's good. It doesn't really give you directions on how to solve a Square-1, which is okay because I usually don't read those anyway. This is why I like to keep the boxes. I put them in back in here so I know what accessories it is. But that box, I'm not a big fan of these origami boxes, whatever it's called. So I probably will keep that box. And here it goes. Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da. This is the first cube I think I actually own that has any type of black side that I didn't put on it. Whoa, look at that. That is pretty. Nice. I like that they put the logo. Ooh, it's a nice logo. You don't feel it. It's not a sticker. That's what you call quality right there. But it's not on the white because white has its center. So let's see where to put it right here. But I kind of like how they put it right there. Alright, first turns. Okay, I am not a Square-1 guy. I just like to buy cubes just to get them. Am I going to try to learn the Square-1? Yes, one day. Alright, let's go. It's the Gan Square-1 MagLev plus UV, and that's black side, stickerless. Is that it? Doesn't really have a name. Gan Square-1, I guess. No V1, no V2. Got that on pre-order. Oh yeah, it's very smooth. Yeah. And it aligns with that. Because right now it can't turn right now, but when you turn it, you see that? Now I can turn it. It goes to that space where you can turn. See how it lines up? I remember watching a video and somebody showed me that other cubes don't line up too good. This one lines up. Yeah, nice. But it's very interesting. Now I don't like crazy cubes. And this is what I would call the crazy 3x3, of course. But this one is famous, and it's a WCA event. So the shape shifter. See that? Can you hear that? Yeah, that's so nice. I did not get it lubed up. Okay, just whatever the factory put on there. Got fingerprints on it already. My oils. I only own one Square-1, and it was my carbon fiber one. Carbon fiber one, and let me tell you, this thing, for being in a gift box type thing I got, if I remember what it was, I'll put it up here so you guys can see. All these cubes were great, except for the Pyramid. The Pyramid kind of sucked. And this one ain't bad at all, and it's carbon fiber like this one. But this one I got for Christmas, and this one's way better than the one that they took in that gift box. The gift box one is terrible. This one ain't too bad. It snaps. It's not magnetic, but it does that snapping. Once you turn it, it snaps into place. So this one is great. The one I got in this particular gift box is not that good. Look at the colors on that one. That's nice. I like this one a lot too. I really do. This thing cost $42.74. It's not bad for being a gang. Look how smooth that is. Nice. Yeah. Now I wouldn't just buy this off of my recommendation because I am not a Square-1 user, but it does turn smoothly and it looks like it's a good gang quality type cube. And there's no separations from all the good quality. I don't feel any roughness to it. Turning and internals, couldn't tell you. Right now it's just white, but I couldn't really tell you, so watch some other videos before you buy it. But they do sell it at cubicle.com if you would like to purchase it. Very nice. I don't want to make this video too long, so if you have anything, if you have any questions, just comment down below and I try to answer it as best I can. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Square-1, you sure are one of a kind. You bend and you twist and you blow my mind. You ain't just another cube on the shelf. You make me laugh at myself.